The elephant who touched the sky. In the heart of the forest, where the leaves are so large they look like green umbrellas, lived Pom Pom, an elephant with gentle steps and eyes always fixed on the sky. While the other elephants worried about the low grass and strong roots, Pom Pom lived with his neck stretched high. He had a dream to see the forest from above, over the treetops, where the sun touches the world first. One day, a toucan with a huge beak named Bikudo perched on a branch near the elephant. He was known for his fast flight and an even faster tongue when it came to mocking the other forest animals. Seeing Pom Pom's effort, Bikudo let out a shrill laugh that echoed like thunder. "What is this, Pom Pom?" The bird laughed, flapping his wings arrogantly. "Look at your size. You have feet made of stone, Pom Pom. The sky is only for those with feathers." The toucan continued. "Elephants were made for the ground, and you are far too heavy to have such a light dream." Bikudo flew away, leaving behind only the sound of his laughter and the crushing silence of doubt. Pom Pom, feeling his body heavier than ever, walked to the edge of a stream. The sky, which had felt so close in his imagination, now seemed millions of miles away. Sad, the elephant sat down, believing his dream was impossible. Suddenly, Tuga, a wise turtle, emerged from the stream. "The sky feels far away when we believe in the unkindness of others," she said. "I also dream of climbing a mountain to see the horizon, to see the whole forest from above." Pom Pom was surprised. "But you're even slower than I am." Tuga smiled. "Alone I cannot do it, but no one reaches the top alone. The secret is to find a friend with the same dream." Tuga pointed toward a great mountain, the tallest in the entire forest. Pom Pom understood the plan. He would use his strength, and she would provide the guidance. Carefully, the elephant placed Tuga between his ears. "Steady?" he asked. "Like one rock upon another," the turtle replied. They began the climb up the mountainside. While the toucan flew, Pom Pom climbed with great effort. Tuga guided every step from above. "A little more to the left. Take a deep breath." Sweat poured down, but the will to succeed was greater than the fatigue. Finally, they reached the highest point of the entire forest. At the summit, a cool breeze blew. Pom Pom let out a cry of pure happiness. Tuga was enchanted by the view. They saw the river looking like a silver ribbon and the sun painting the jungle in gold. At that moment, Bikudo the toucan flew by and nearly fell over in shock at seeing them there. But how? You shouldn't be here," the bird stuttered. The turtle, still perched atop Pom Pom's head, looked at the toucan with serenity and said, "You have wings, Bikudo, but you fly alone. We don't have feathers, but we have friendship. And friendship has given us the most beautiful view of all." Pom Pom smiled. He realized he didn't need to stop being an elephant to touch the sky. He just needed to understand that no dream is too heavy when you have a friend to help you carry it. If you like the story, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for more little stories.